Today we're making a winter porch pot, which means we have to use plants that won't die when it freezes. Let's get started. There are lots of ways to do this, so I'll just show you one of the ways today. I want something tall. We're starting off with some rosemary, and some people put the tall thing in the middle. I'm pushing it to the back. Next, we've got some ornamental kale. This is gonna get quite a lot bigger and it's gonna turn a nice, rich purple as the weather gets colder. Some healthy roots on there. It is a bit wet though, look at this. Next, I'm gonna add in 3 pansies. Pick whatever color you want. I liked this cooler color for the winter time. And lastly, I'm adding in these variegated English ivy. I love the color of these. I love that they trail over the side and they're cold hardy. So there you have it. Simple, easy, frost tolerant, and pretty. Thanks for your help, buddy.